Hello and welcome to Sadaf English. Take a moment to relax. Today you will listen to a short and simple English story about my morning routine. I will speak slowly and clearly to help you understand easily. This lesson is for beginners and A2 learners. Let's begin our English practice. I wake up early in the morning. The room is quiet. Light comes through the window. I open my eyes slowly. I sit on my bed. I take a deep breath. The day feels new. I feel calm. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cool water. The water feels fresh. I look in the mirror. I smile. Now I feel awake. I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is clean. I make a simple breakfast. I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit. I make a cup of warm tea. I sit at the table. I drink my tea slowly. It makes me feel relaxed. After breakfast, I choose my clothes. I wear comfortable clothes. If it is cold, I wear a sweater. I brush my hair. I check my bag. I take my phone. I take my keys. Everything is ready. I put on my shoes. I open the door. I step outside. The air feels fresh. People are going to work. The morning is busy, but calm. I feel ready for the day. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video. Subscribe to Sadaf English and learn English one easy story at a time.